Hey, if you sell a Go High Level SaaS, can I give you a voice AI agent snapshot that calls your customers and onboards them into High Level, teaching them all the features completely for you? What if I told you that instead of having to meet with every single one of your high-level SaaS customers to teach them how to use all the different features of the platform, what if you had an AI agent to call them and teach them all of the features instead? What if you had an agent that could know if they had logged into the platform or not and could guide them through logging in, educating themselves, getting support, and getting started with all of the things you want them to do? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up. This right here is that agent. This is that agent that calls my customers, knows if they've logged in, teaches them everything I want them to know, and walks them through their onboarding live on the phone. Now we're getting this agent through SaaS Suite. So you can go to saassuite.ai, log in, then navigate to snapshots, and then click load snapshot under the voice AI onboarding snapshot. The only thing you need from the snapshot is just the voice AI onboarding agent. Once you import the snapshot, you can go to AI agents, then voice AI, and you should see it under your agent list right here. You can then click on the agent to open it up, and then this is where you're going to be dropped. The only thing that you need to do to set this up is go over to the right-hand side under these 5 custom actions, click each one, navigate over to the authentication tab, and you're gonna see a blank space for your token. To get your token, log into SaaS Suite, go to the Client Hub, then go to Support, then scroll all the way down to the Voice AI Support section. This contains all of our endpoints for your Voice AI agent to connect to SaaS Suite to get all of that info about the customer to talk them through it on the call. Then all you have to do is click Generate Key under Voice AI Support. You can title it something else if you'd like. Generate that key and then go ahead and copy it right here, and then go back to High Level, and then you can drop it into this token section. Now you want to do this for every one of the actions. There's just 5, so just click into each one, just go to authentication and drop in that token for every single one of the actions. As soon as you do that, then each one of these is going to be set up to use with your voice AI agent. Now to launch your agent, you can either set it up for inbound or outbound down here at the bottom. Both of these are already set up for your agent. This is just going to be up to you how you want to have it handled. I like to do it via outbound, and all you have to do is make a workflow in order to just outbound call a new user every time someone's added, and I'll show you that in a second. Now that we've got it all set up, let's go ahead and do an outbound call in order to test out this agent.
Hi,
right
Andrew.
now.
This is SaaS Suite's AI assistant. You can say, "Don't call me again" to opt out. Now that that's out of the way, let's begin your onboarding for SaaS Suite. Is now a good time to get a quick walkthrough of the platform?
Sure, that would be great.
Awesome. I'm glad you're ready to get started. Let me just grab a couple of quick details to pull up your account. First, what's your first name?
Andrew.
Perfect, Andrew. Just to confirm, it's spelled Andrew, right?
Yes.
Great. So, Andrew, have you already logged into our platform yet?
I don't know.
No problem at all. Let me check that for you real quick. Can you tell me the email address you used to sign up?
Andrew.
Got it. So that's Andrew at, correct?
Yes.
Let me search for you by name. Perfect. I found you, Andrew George. Great news. I can see you created your account back on September 22nd, 2025, and you've actually been pretty active on the platform. Your last login was back on June 8th of this year. Is that right?
Yeah, I think that's right.
Awesome. So you're all set in the system. Let me pull up your agency info and see where you stand with everything. Perfect. All right, so here's what I'm seeing. You've got 8 items on your onboarding checklist. Here's what you're gonna do. First, I want you to navigate to the education tab on the left side of your platform. Can you tell me when you're there?
Give me just 1 second and I'm going to get there. So what's really cool about this is you can see it's going to actually walk me through each one of the steps in order to do this specific onboarding item, but I'm going to show you how that works right now. Okay, I am in my high-level agency. What am I supposed to do?
Perfect. So you're in your agency now. Great. Now I want you to look for the education tab. It should be on the left side of your screen. Do you see a tab that says education?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. Go ahead and click on that education tab for me.
Okay, now what?
Great. So now you should be in the education section. You're gonna see a bunch of different training modules and videos organized by category. What I want you to do is find the video called Social Media Planner. Do you see that one?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Go ahead and click on that video to open it up.
Okay, now we could do that all day, but I think you get the gist. This walks us through watching the videos, learning how to use the platform, and also actually how to click around and find different features in the platform in order to do all the things you want them to do. Now, as you heard the agent, it walked me through my onboarding checklist items. So in order to get the most out of this, make sure you have onboarding checklist items set up under the Home tab inside of Client Hub. You can scroll down, see your onboarding checklist, and if you have these set up, then the agent will walk your customers through each one of those items. And of course, since this is built in your high-level agency, it's completely open source, so you can change anything you want. If you want to change this prompt, I'd highly recommend just copying and pasting this, putting it in AI, adjusting what you need to adjust, and putting it back. The last part of getting the most out of this voice AI agent is creating a workflow to actually do the outbound call. So the way that we're going to do that is with a simple trigger and action. So we'll do, for an example, when a contact is tagged as, let's say, new user, then as soon as that happens, we can trigger a voice AI outbound call. We can pick the agent, and that's literally all you have to do. So whenever someone gets tagged, it will call them and make sure that they get set up on the platform. Of course, we will be updating this voice AI snapshot as we begin to use it more and more. So feel free to change the prompt at all and get it to work the way that you want it to work. This feature is absolutely awesome. And of course, if you have any questions at all, just drop a comment on this video or reach out to support through SaaS Suite. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll catch you in the next one.